You a fucking clown, no fucking frown, no fucking smile. Dead nigga in a fucking wild. You try me, I'm a crocodile. I'll leave your ass nigga east side. Nigga.
Come on, man. Look.
One time. Nigga, she was insane like a motherfucker. Keep it up. I
mean, I ain't going to the squad, dog.
Get him out.
Look, man.
Get him out.
I smell young nigga. That's young meat. If he was in jail, he wouldn't last this deep. This how my fucking pockets is. I got a Glock. This nigga fake. He ain't got AKs. He ain't got shit when I come through his block. I ain't even from Chirac. I'm from the west of the loop, and that's all I rap. I'm by myself. I don't need no fucking crew. You niggas loving that on that Drake shit. Buy your girl that album and get her in the basement. Or I will. Me and my crew too. We got toppers for real.
Who calling that?
Where you from, dude?
Man,
I ain't never seen you. West side where I represent. South side too.
Big in this motherfucker. Y'all already know. Fuck all that rapping shit, nigga. About that ass shit. We ain't gotta.
Go ahead, bro. I want to get you on camera.
Let me know. Open up. Open the church.
Get a little
I got one question for everybody else real quick. Everybody got the